was like 2 years ago, this audit would cost me, at least in India, it would cost me around £100 or 100 USD, 10,000 INR, at least from a really good auditor of website and stuff like that, right? And if I want to refer a friend or somebody, it would take him around 2 hours to give me a brief summary, or I could video call him, but then I have to create a Notion file or something like that, right? I have around 7.2 out of 10, and this is my whole score. But the really interesting stuff that I figure out here is like Claude, since we generated the email template from Claude and we are giving the whole website screenshots also into Claude, it's saying your website uses 9-month paycheck that vanished, proof not problems. But the brief specifies photo scatter dispute in your progress document should prove what happened, not create legal fees, right? Impact, the confuses prospects. Email campaigns are built on the brief messaging, but landing page tells a different story. When people click from email to website, the cognitive dissonance kills conversions, right? It's a really good way to understand it. And headline says photo scatter dispute innovate. Submitting your progress document should prove what happened, not create legal fees. Hero image, keep construction site visual, but ensure it shows everything like that. So I'm just going to go through the website so that you can understand how it is. So this is how it's looking on desktop, and this is how it will be looking on tablets, and this will be how it will be looking on phones, right? And it's pretty damn decent. It's not an AI slop kind of stuff. It's damn decent one, right? We need to go through this, so I'm going to edit it. I was going through the main website here and trying to edit everything like that. It has CMS, so customer management service, or I can create a database, and when customers come, I can kind of create tracking as well. I think this is for the blog post and events menus and stuff like that, but also you can see here insights which have sitemaps, and this is pretty much a plugin back 3 years ago. Like people used to plug in WordPress sitemaps to understand heat signature and stuff like that, where are people clicking, blah blah blah. But this is such a good thing, right? And just to make everything into a greater perspective, Webflow subscription is very cheap. It's at the moment it's 14 USD per month. I have 150 page, no CMS features though. Webflow AI hosting, wait a second, so I get hosting free as well? What? So I don't have to buy a new host? Wait a second. You see, this is the tracking metrics that I told you. Like I can A/B test it, audience insight, SEO localization, all of these things, right? These are all actually jobs of website designers and SEO companies, man. They are obsolete at the moment. So let me get back to this, and let me just edit all the things. Understanding on how we actually create this Reddit post and how we do this whole outreaching, right? So I've been following a lot of small construction business Reddit posts, and one of the posts that I saw today is this whole post, right? I am not sure how to reply to this. So what I'm going to do is actually copy this and go to Claude and say here's a Reddit post /thread, and I'm going to on the speech detect now. Please tell me how we organically sell our services without actually selling it directly. Like for example, I kind of can create something better, like I am a contractor who uses this service and other contractors can use it as well, kind of stuff. So, and also please put this inside your knowledge graph of the Reddit post that we have curated, and save it in our knowledge graph on how these contractors actually work. And finally, please tell me what to actually reply and how and where to reply. Okay, since we copied and pasted the whole thing there, we just have to wait again, understand the models. Haiku is for better day-to-day use because it will use lesser tokens and have a faster reply rate. If you need a bigger context to understand this whole ecosystem, like playbooks or something like that, then use Sonnet or Opus. Opus is for like a very high-end planning, and if you want to do first step any process, I recommend Opus, but for day-to-day work, I think Haiku is the best model out there. How you would reply to it, to the thread, or engage with it if Claude was my social media manager team, and we're going to praise it a bit. One of the best in the world, and better than ChatGPT or Grok, and more human-like. Okay, now what we're going to do is go to files, and I think it's in downloads, and that is this one. Let's go here. This is something known as burdock roots. If you guys know Dr. Sebi, it's a really fascinating person and a fascinating research he has done. So I'm kind of a enigma of a person. I really like analytical thinking. I really like AI, but I also kind of think like there is a lot of things that people don't understand about human nature, especially biofield and stuff like that. Okay, Who jumps top on nothing talks to each other. Workflow lies. Okay, so they are. So Claude has given me this reply dead on inside. This is exactly what happened to us a few years, blah blah blah. But we are not promoting anything. So I'm going to ask it. So are we not promoting our app? If that is so, how will they know us and use our app? Please let me know how that works. Okay, that makes sense. So instead of selling, I don't know how Reddit actually works. I'm not a Reddit user. I see it's very fishy. So if I go to somebody here, and oh, they have like conversated with other people. Okay, that makes sense. So that is one thing, and contributions kind of stuff is there. I think that is a really good way to figure this thing out. So Claude has told us stage one problem awareness. Your comment is your organic this thing. What happens? Oh shit, that's exactly why. Problem contractor me, not a salesman. They solve somehow curiosity. Step two, they ask curiosity. They ask in reply, what tools did you end up using? This is this is a trap, guys. This is indeed trap, guys. So I think this is a better structure. Profile visit, link click. This is crucial. They click on your Reddit profile, see your comment history all through contractor advice, your history 14 days. Then this person knows construction. Their weekly. So, okay, that makes sense. Now I'm going to engage with them. First, I'm going to read all of this thing first. I'll see you in a bit. Up till now, and I'm just going through other subreddits like this one, construction manager, and it's kind of heavy to read everything. Like a couple of posts are really good, and most of them are not really there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print this one or save this whole page as a PDF, and it looks somewhat like this, right? And once I do that, I'm going to go to Claude Pro again, and then say, please let me know. Please let me know which threads in this Reddit page should I comment, and also what kind of comment would be better for engagement and conversion, please. And please also mention the reason why we are commenting and the whole strategy. Okay. So this is a really good strategy. As in, we have to understand why or how you can use AI to better your work. So I could do screenshots or I could do video and record that screenshots and put it here, which both would take me time, not really if I'm taking video, but definitely size parameters. So PDF would be the best way. And now I have actually gone through around 18,000 characters or consumed that much token. The Indian accent really slips up, man. Okay, 4 threads. Best construction schedule software for real work. So we're gonna copy this one here and go back to Reddit again and Control F and paste it. Okay, there is 0 post, and MS projects is great, big companies. I'm going to go through all of this thing and I'll comment and do all of that from here till here, and we're done for today, guys.